Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video. So we agreed that before you use the www.tradeprofx.co.ke, remember to make sure that you have logged out of the main Deriv account. Then you will able to access any third-party website for now, because they have upgraded to the new API. Therefore, it is bringing a confusion when trying to access any third-party website. So let's get into the tradeprofx.co.ke, and we just scroll down to the analysis tool, and then we get to use now what we normally call the bots. So you remember the bots we were using. So let me first check some. No need for checking, because that we are going to be trading. We are going to go to the free bots. We go to the AI bots, because this is the AI which does the double analysis. You scroll down to the over under. So we have a 250. Therefore, that means I need to use something like 250 divided by 2. That is let's go with 150. 125. So that give us 250. So volatilities, and then amount, let's go with 125. No need for the martingale, but let me just put. So it's very easy. Even if you put like also 10, let's just keep it there, because if it hits, it will hit ours. And then from here we start our trading. So what is it? As I told you yesterday, a few videos ago, we will be waiting for 2 digits to appear, like 55, and then 44. Then it picks a double chance trade. So it is like behaving like arbitrage trading. So you'll win on one side, you lose on one side. So let's just wait for that confirmation, and then we first get our profits. It's very easy. Maybe you can be looking for amounts for maybe purchasing breakfast, supper, and lunch. You can do this, because at least it is more safer, and it won't cost you that much, because it will just be what will be happening is the double chance. It will be looking for 2 times, so you win on 2 times. So let's just wait for 55 or 54. That is what is waiting for. So 5, we can see 3. We don't want that 55 and then a trade picked, then win payout of the rest is, and that is how you have made something out of that. So let's see. We began with what? We began with 250. We have 283. So if you repeat again, you see you can also get another something. So we have two. Let's go with the one we were using. That is the over 5 under 4 premium 2-digit analysis. Click there, and then we add again. So for now we can go with something like 130 plus 130. That is 130 plus 130, 260. So can go that way. 135. You can see that will be a good. Okay. Oh, I forgot to increase the stop loss, but no problem. As long as we win, we get out of that. So another entry there, 55 an entry, and then a win. Okay. That's why I hate putting that stop loss. Okay, one side we have won, on the other side we lost. Wow, 318. So 318.65. So it did not update the other win, so we need an entry. So 318.65. so another we need to enter again for another entry there. So we need to enter another entry. The last entry we are going to use 150. So we are going to use 150, and then we use we increase this, then we use 150, so that is 150 gives us 300, and then run. So let's wait. We need to see, on one side we win, on one side we lose, one side we win, so don't mind on the P&L. So we will see the profit, whether we have gotten it on the results on the capital balance. Okay, we can wait for that. So 5544. So the last digits are being shown just below. You can see on the row logs where I'm observing. So I think this is my fourth run, so I'll stop from there. After I get my profits, I'll come stop from there for this session. So from 250 we have already made close to 100, so it is good with us. It's a matter of risking. We make something and then get out. So let's go 5569696007. Okay, let's wait 5, and then let's wait. No entry there also. So we are waiting for only one pattern, either 4-4 or 5-5, either a 4-4 or a 5-5. So you need to be very patient. You need to be very patient for you to make something out of this. So let's wait, and we can see it's still waiting. Okay, still waiting. 5-5. Let's wait. I hope we are going to make it very soon, because I can see we are staying so long. So 505, 525, okay, 53, 5. Hey, 5 is coming out. Let's hit a 5-5 or a 4-4. A 5-5 or a 4-4. You can see how patient pays, because you need to wait 4-4 and then a trade immediately being payout. Perfect. So the last time we never waited for the next so we have already gotten a 39. So by now we need to be out of talking out of the market. We are at a 358, and that's how I've made a 350 minus 250, 100 USD printed in that simple manner, using the AI bot over 5 and then under 5 checking the last 2-digit analysis. And that's how you use the www.tradeprofx.co.ke. and I've said, ensure before you use the website you have gotten out and you have logged out of the main Deriv account, the main Deriv website, so that you can access the third-party website with ease, instead of redirecting you back to Deriv. So let's meet in the next video. This is Trade Pro FX. Bye bye.